Animal Crossing, Wild World, Jay and Friends, Bobobo story.
Yo, 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 what's up, Bobobo? Enough of that, Antonio. Do you know why kids love Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
What is it? Me. By the way, what do you want? Offer me.
Let's talk. Do you know why kids love Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Tell me, okay? You know why kids love Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Whoa there, friend. Hey, Fraser heads don't know who you are. If it's Jay, then I'm wasting my time. But you are a problem.
See, Fraser Red ain't that high tech. That's furniture and all that. You do know the password, right? And I say,
Bottom dollar. Top.
dog.
That's it, alright. You are Hinata. Thank God you showed up. Guess again. I don't know who you are. It's me, Bobobo. Oh, hello, Bobobo.
Okay.
Hello, Bobobo. I might break it. Oh, pleasure to see you, cousin Bobobo. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Great work. Lose work. Yeah, I know. I want this lap.
Haha, see, notice the peanut.
Yeah. Shoot a fist on your nose out with extra sauce.
What? You don't have enough cash. Screw you!
Well, screw you, Red.
Thanks a lot.
Where was I? Oh yeah, check it out. Hello, Pelly. Oh. Alright, let's see what to do. Peanut just I've asked her a question. Oh well, there are more. On this crud. Oh, it's you, Dina. You know, Dina. You know why kids love Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
I don't know, why?
Because it's good. Cinnamon. Sugary. Hyperactivity. Little kids at the age of 8. Not right now. Don't cry, dang it. Alright, where was that? You know why kids love Cinnamon Toast Crunch? I know why. It's good. Cool racetrack. Hello, feeling better?
No, I don't feel so good, alright?
Are you okay?
I still can't hear about this.
Okay, see ya. I'm going to our house. Where have I go cereal? You don't walk into Senator Scratch. It's a tasty cafe. Hey, cameraman. You walk into Cinnamon Toast Crunch, cameraman.
What?
I got the answer. That's the tasty cafe.
Hold up, I can't run that fast.
What's this? Bye bye.